All right. So the Explain Everything is set up for the iPad. Now you can use it probably on other tablets as well, but I used it on the Surface Pro, and it's just like a computer, so you can use it on the internet, but it's just a little bit clunky, not quite as nice. Let me kind of just show you. So you can, first of all, I'm going to just pull up this little picture I took. So you can go up to add things. You can add existing items or a file. So let's add this. So this is kind of what, when you add a new, so you click up here and you say add new, and then you can choose your template. It shows templates you can choose from, or just a blank screen. So you could use Whiteboard, Blackboard. You could even do chalkboards or whatever, but there's a tons of different things you can choose. I personally like the Blackboard because it's easy to see the specific colors on the black itself because it's high contrast. And the cool thing about this program or this app is you can move it. It's got an infinite space, so you can move it around anywhere you want, and you never run out of space. And it's not just up and down. So it's pretty cool. I generally, you do up and down is all. So I just scroll up and then write some more and then scroll up. But you can really do whatever you want here. Okay. And then let's see. So down here, then we can record. So right now I'm recording. You can take a picture. You could whatever. And you can also invite. Now, you can't do it when you're recording, but you invite people. You can share it. So right here, you can export it as a video, or you can share a link. And I'm still trying to figure out ways I can share it with my online students without just using the online version, which is a little clunky. It's better than Keep, but it's anyway. So you can change your colors. You have infinite colors you can choose from. You can even choose from all of these different colors here. But I generally keep the colors that's in it because they're good for this black screen. You can use a highlighter, which I don't use that much, but you can. You can erase everything. And one thing is cool is you can draw on here, and you could even erase previous things that maybe you can't erase with the normal tool. And you can also erase part of the picture if you need. So pretty cool. That way you can mark up a worksheet or anything and just erase everything off of it and still have the worksheet if you need. I don't normally use this paint bucket, but you can change the screen color if you want. There's different shapes you can use, lines. So and you can choose a different color. I haven't played around with this a lot, but I have used the lines in different shapes. You can add text if you want, but I don't know why, because it's just easy to write on there. Pretty easy, especially if you have a iPad with Apple Pencil. And then this, you can copy something and then just move it somewhere else if you need. And then undo, of course. Anyway, so that's the basics of it. Let's see what else. So we can change. I can't change the name of it, but I can change the name of it before I start, and it might say. I usually just use the date and the today's lesson, and that seems pretty easy to organize everything. And you can also choose different files to save all your stuff in. And then, like I said, you click over here to this guy and share it. You can export it as a video. You can also export it as a PDF if you want to print out your notes, your lesson, your lecture notes. And that's really how I print out my lecture notes, so that I can know what I need to teach that day, so I don't forget anything. Kind of nice. But so I'm still trying to contact the company on how to share this without using the online version, because it's not quite as good. But I haven't figured that out yet. I've been contacting the lady, and I'll have to see if she's gotten back to me yet. But that's Explain Everything, and there's probably more to it that I don't know. But anyway, pretty cool.